Before John the Ripper touches a file, stop. You need written authorization, confirmed data ownership, exact files, an approved environment, an agreed candidate list and time limit, plus rules for storing and deleting the results. If any of that is unclear, do not run the audit. Uploading a protected file or extracted audit material to an unknown cracking site can hand confidential data to a third party. This walkthrough stays local and uses only synthetic files created for the lab. S10, S11, L3. We will use an own text note, a zip, a PDF, and a 4-line purpose-built word list. The disclosed training value, Demo Archive 2026, is synthetic, not a real credential. You will see how extraction differs from guessing, how to bound John to approved candidates, how to verify the result, and how to clean up. No leaked corpus, real account, public target, or hostile sample appears here. L3. The workflow has 5 boxes: written authorization, own file, local extractor, bounded candidate list, then independent verification and remediation. Zip2John and PDF2John.py translate format-specific encryption metadata into input John can read. Extraction is not decryption, and that material may still be sensitive. There is an important version check in this lab. Kali Rolling installed John from a 2021 Jumbo baseline. Its stock PDF extractor produced no usable hash for this generated PDF. The validated path pins OpenWall's newer PDF2John.py at commit 9A33068, with py Henko 0.36.2. We show that correction rather than inventing a successful stock command. S2, S5, S6, L3. Inside the disposable Kali container, the samples were created locally. For the zip, run zip2john samples/own-demo.zip and redirect the output to hashes/own-demo-zip.hash. For the PDF, call the pinned Python environment in /op/pdf2john.py, then redirect to hashes/own-demo-pdf.hash. Keep the raw lines off screen. The validated files were 379 and 190 bytes. Next, run John with an explicit format, the 4-line word list, and a separate pot file. The zip command uses format equals PKZIP, the PDF command uses format equals PDF. Word list means John tries only those supplied lines. Then use John show with the matching format and pot file. Both validated runs reported 1 password hash cracked and 0 left. Do not quote the displayed candidate rates as performance evidence. For candidates in one container tell us nothing useful about real-world throughput. S7, S8, S9, L3. A John hit is a candidate match, not the end of the proof. The lab tested the synthetic value against both originals. UnzipP recovered the own note, which matched its recorded SHA 256. QPDF decrypt produced a readable PDF, and QPDF check found no syntax or stream encoding errors. Then came the negative control, not the password was rejected by both zip and PDF. Positive verification shows the recovered training value opens these owned files. The failed control helps catch a broken verification step. Neither one says anything about an online account. L3. Read the result narrowly. A hit proves one approved candidate matched this file's supported format. It does not prove password reuse, account compromise, online exploitability, or that every similarly protected file is weak. A miss means only not found in this approved list and does not prove security. The demo zip uses legacy zip crypto, and the PDF uses revision 3, 128-bit standard security for deterministic testing. Neither is a recommendation. A container reduces accidental host exposure, but it is not a complete sandbox for hostile files. Never mount sensitive directories into this lab. L3. After an approved real audit, rotate any real secret that was found, check reuse only through authorized processes, restrict access, and follow the written retention plan. Delete temporary hash and pot files when that plan requires it. Replace guessable values with longer, unique passwords or multi-word passwords managed safely. Prefer the file format or vendor's current authenticated encryption guidance, and add MFA or passkeys where accounts are involved. Then retest only within the approved boundary. NIST treats passwords as secrets that must be protected and recommends stronger authentication at higher assurance levels. An offline file audit is one control, not a substitute for access control, secure storage, monitoring, or incident response. S10, L3. Copy the SafeLab checklist below, subscribe, and explore the WSQ cybersecurity courses in the description.